will be sent to you officially. I think sometimes maybe within 3-4 hours, and you'll get all the detail from PHQ, from the police headquarters. But yes, it is true that one area commander of the HMLC, who is also very, very active, he surrendered to the police force, and his name also you will be known. And so let us see, the next course of action will be accordingly taken. But my appeal to other cadres of the HMLC also can follow the same footsteps like made by the one who has just surrendered a few hours back, to kindly join with us to the mainstream. This is my only appeal to other members.
So can you give us surrendered any arms or ammunition, sir?
Well, I will not indulge in any kind of detail right now, as I said to you, because the official statement will come out from the police headquarters.
Sir, at the moment, still how many HNLC members are still there, according to your information?
That also I will not deliberate much, but as I said to you, I think this time we are able to even pick up few of them. So let us see, and then as I said to you, you will be informed accordingly today from the PH.
So then,
well, I think see, there are so many reasons where ultimately he decided to take this way of surrendering. I think you understand, you know, being a young man, sometimes after you think it properly, you sit down maybe alone, you sit at home, or you sit in any place wherever you are. Ultimately, you found out that yes, maybe I have to come back to the mainstream. Because as I said to you, my appeal to all those members of the HNLC, better come back to the mainstream. We are there, government is there to help you out, and we are there. Well, they may think that yes, we have, the moment we come out, we may be booked, we may be arrested. The law is there, but let me tell you one thing, once you come out from the underground activities, you will also at the same time be fully protected. You will also be fully think of how to make sure that your career is again in the mainstream. I think that is very important. Let them understand about it, that we really serious about this, be it from the central government, be it from state government. We would like to see the cadres to come out, and not only that, join with us in the mainstream.